why this dedicated chapter for Linux. Hello everyone, welcome to Secure It DevSecOps Club knowledge sharing live video series on mastering DevOps hands-on training for beginners. Today I'm going to start by a very interesting and often overlooked topic, Linux for DevOps. Why this dedicated chapter for the Linux, right? In my research, I really didn't come across any of the content where any video is specifically dedicated to the DevOps and with respect to the Linux. That's why I compiled entire content of this chapter only for the DevOps. If you want to join free live training session, check out the enrollment link in the description of this video. We will start with why DevOps engineers should learn Linux and how much Linux knowledge a DevOps engineer should have. How understanding of the hardware component and the Linux operating system and their interaction together can be very beneficial to the DevOps engineer, especially when it comes to setting up a workload in the cloud and choosing the virtual machines, or when it comes to the setting of your container, or when while you are configuring a Kubernetes cluster. So this part will give you the overview importance of hardware component, the important role plays by the hardware component when you are planning architecture of your application, that we will discuss in this section. Then I will be discussing the Linux landscape. In this section, I will be giving you all the insight about the Linux and its core component parts and their directory structure. And then next, we will be learning from all the essential command every beginner must know. So once you became from novice to ninja, then in part 5, we will be unlocking the DevOps Linux. In this section, I have compiled and summarized all the very important commands which every DevOps should know and that is often used in their day-to-day life. In this, we will be talking about all those commands in this section, and by the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe why Linux operating system is ideal choice for DevOps workload and the key component of the system and Linux. Finally, you will be able to use the most important commands in your day-to-day life as a DevOps engineer. And friends, here all the points you could see on the screen, these are really relevant. I will be discussing each and every point only in the context of DevOps, and you will definitely feel the small things play a very crucial role in the DevOps. I would also recommend you to just look into all tools and topics mentioned over here, which we will be covering in upcoming sessions. And I will also try to keep the video under 15 minutes, but you can always play a section. Again, if you don't catch it at the first time, I will put the timestamp in the description. So feel free to jump around, but I again assure you, points I'm gonna discuss, you will never find anywhere else. That's it for this video. In next video, we will be talking about how different hardware components of the system work together and why do you need to know that and how they impact the overall performance of the system only in the context of DevOps. For more updates, stay tuned and consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.